Good morning, everyone. Today I have been in my van 9 days, and let me tell you what is working and what is not that I have found. And let me say, nothing is fast. Today I'm going to show you what I actually use and what I've been using and why it still feels like a mess. So if you've been watching, I have been posting shorts about my hooks. I have two $16 rope hooks that I bought from Lowe's. I have a command hook. Those are working great. As you may have seen in past posts, I have my jet boil that I use for coffee every morning, oatmeal that I've been very creative with, my butane stove. My butane stove has not gotten a lot of work this week. I have used it for a couple of meals. I have two pots. One is a ceramic pot and one is a smaller stainless steel pot. The ceramic pot is just very big, and I think I'm gonna bring that to storage or just list it on Marketplace to get rid of it. And I have my one cast iron pan, and I have been using that, you know, to warm up tortillas. I've made a lot of wraps this week. It's been kind of rainy and hot and humid here. Boy, I can't wait to get on the road and just get out of here because it is scorcher today. I use my Jackery 1000 every day to charge up my phone, my watch, and my laptop. So that is a great investment that I made, and I have plenty of room to set that on my counter in the morning, get that all set up. I love my new ceiling lights. They dim. It can sit in the van and it actually feels like a nice soft light. I wish I had done one more, but you live with what you got. I have my Starlink set up outside. It is not working as well here as it did in my main camp spot. Sorry, bugs. That's one thing you have to get used to, is a lot of bugs. But my Starlink, you have to tear it all down, wrap up the wire, bring it in. You can't just drive off with it hooked up, obviously. So it is slow to tear down. So as you may know, you can't just leave. As I said, you got to tear everything down. You got to put the dog in his spot. You got to get your electric unhooked if you're plugged in. Remember to close the flap on the side after you take the power cord off. I frequently forget to do that. Driving down the road, look in my rearview mirror and say, oh crap, I forgot to do that again. Starlink to tear down, roll up all the wire. So I still don't have any water in the van. I'm hoping I can get to that this week. I just built a cabinet or started a cabinet for the sink yesterday. But you have to go into the house, take all the dishes into the house, wash them up, go to the sink, wash up, or go to the shower, wash up. I am so grateful that I am at my mom's and I'm able to shower when I want. Brush my teeth at night and in the morning. It's been wonderful. You know, it's the training wheel phase of van life for me, so I'm just rolling with it. Nothing is perfect here in my world, but after a week, I am finding some comfort and some peace. My anxiety level is way down. And let me know if you have any favorite van life gear. Someone suggested I get a hammock. That was a great suggestion. I really appreciate that. And I am going to be looking into that as I get out onto the road. It'd be so nice to be swinging from the back of the van, and I can tear it down. So thanks for watching. As always, hit the subscribe button and some notifications if you want to see when I post. And I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.